If you're downloading files in Chrome on your iPhone and can't find them, don't worry. Chrome doesn't have its own downloads folder. Here's exactly where your files are saved. On iPhone, all Chrome downloads are saved in the Files app, not inside Chrome itself. First, open the Files app. At the bottom, tap Browse. Next, tap on My iPhone. Now open the Downloads folder. This is where files downloaded from Google Chrome are usually stored. Chrome and Safari both use the same Downloads folder on iPhone, and unlike on a computer, you can't change the download location in Chrome on iOS. And that's it. That's where Chrome downloads are saved on iPhone. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.